echo the same thing because I would basically, hear what you would say, Aki, and then I love YouTube, right? And so like then I would go and watch like countless videos and I'm like, oh, this was in the slides. Okay, I'm good. So it was very like comprehensive and it was just for me just doing this new way of like writing code and developing and like I knew it was like really fundamental CS skills are
Mm,
like the most important piece as
mm.
far as like even with the design and so forth and I love that piece of it all and just learning how to use the tools and you really made it accessible so in a very quick way so thank you very much.
What I really like about the boot camp is that like you try to simplify, I mean I've seen others try to teach things in hours of uh, in a hours of course content, but you try to always simplify and you were uh, right on the spot, right on the topic, right? There's no, I mean, so far my experience that there was no fluff. You were straight, and it was easy. Even from my point of view, it was easy for me to grab things instead of me spending a lot of time on reading stuff or going through online courses. So it was super helpful. Thank you so much.